Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be breaking down the PumpSwap update. Now if you don't know what PumpSwap is, it is Pump.Fun's brand new liquidity pool. Now this is for trading meme coins. Now PumpSwap is a new DEX liquidity solution by PumpFun, which is specifically built just to allow instant trading of meme coins that are launched on PumpFun to eliminate any migration delays that were common when projects had to move to Radium. Now if you didn't know, before PumpSwap was a thing, when the coins actually got migrated, these meme coins, they would go onto a liquidity pool powered by Radium. Now PumpSwap, all this is their own liquidity pool by Pump.Fun, so they're not having to rely on other outside sources that they can't control. Now, this actually reduces sniping as much as possible and reduces a lot of the bots. It reduces a lot of front running and price volatility during initial launches. You also get lower listing and trading fees. So in order to actually list your meme coin beforehand, it used to be 6 sol for Radium when you had to migrate it over. But PumpSwap uses just a 0.25% trading fee, which is absolutely amazing. And this will definitely change the meme coin landscape as the months go on and as the market conditions start to turn around. So here's the thread on Twitter, basically breaking down everything that is going on with PumpSwap version 1. It's a decentralized exchange that's built and backed on Solana. It functions similar to Radium v4 or the Uniswap v2 for its constant product AMM, and it allows you to create your own liquidity pool for free and to add to liquidity. It allows you to create your own liquidity pool for free, add to existing liquidity pool, and trade all the PumpSwap tokens. They built this because their goal is to create the most frictionless environment for trading coins, and with Pump.Fun, they really did create that. It was one of the easiest ways for people to trade coins and to launch coins that there has ever been. So they're doing really cool things with PumpSwap, and they're also investing in creating a more sustainable ecosystem, and coming soon a percentage of protocol revenue will be shared with coin creators. If it succeeds, millions of dollars will go towards aligning creators with their communities and incentivizing higher quality launches, which should, in the long term, reduce a lot of the ripples that happen. Now, just to go a bit more in depth on the 0.25% fee, it actually aligns with very similar products to PumpFun. To start, here's how fees will be distributed: 0.2% to liquidity providers and 0.05% to the protocol. Once creator revenue sharing is live, the fee distribution will change. So if we go on to Action Pro, which is the best exchange for trading meme coins at the moment, then you will see every time a coin is migrated, it has this little gold pump icon right next to it. Now beforehand, if you were familiar with meme coins beforehand, it used to be a Radium icon. Now every time a coin migrates, you're going to have a nice little PumpSwap token right here. So you can see on the trending section right now, all gold icons are basically on PumpSwap, and all of the purple icons are all backed on Radium. So in order to make sure you only see PumpSwap tokens, as there is a bit more of a trend towards PumpSwap tokens right now, in the pull section on Axiom, if you go to the filters on either your new pairs or on the migrated section or final stretch, all you have to do is deselect any Moonshot or any Radium and just select Pump, and then you'll only see PumpFun and PumpSwap tokens. So in order to wait, go on. But I'll just finish it off in a minute. Do you want to move all your shit over now? Please, what's it broke? Oh, fuck, don't shut up on me.